so y'all behind the scenes with your girl, okay? This is my little photo area, and I'm making it do what it do. This is a poster board, and these are my 20-pack lashes, and I got it propped up with edge control. It is what it is. But I'm trying to get these pictures ready for my website because my launch is tomorrow, and I just got these lashes in today. So anxiety on 10. Okay, so don't mind my naked bed. I'm washing my sheets, but what I'm doing is sorting them out and putting the names to them. Oh my gosh, this is coming to life, and I am going freaking crazy. How do you guys love the actual styles? Oh my gosh. I could cry. Now I'm connecting my website to Google search, and boy, I've been going through it. Okay, so with this whole process, I was trying to connect a domain I made with GoDaddy to my Wix, but since I didn't make it over 60 days ago, it was not able to transfer today. So your girl had to pay $55 to get a new domain with Wix. So originally it was supposed to be shop@luxeave.com, but because, you know, I'm still in that 60-day time period, I basically had to make a new domain with Wix. So now my website is luxeavenue.shop. So that's not bad, but I just sent an email out. I'm gonna show you guys how that looks. Okay, so this is the email. This is how it looks when, you know, my subscriber receives it. The subject line is launch day is hours away because it is currently 10:30 and I launch at midnight. So it says launch day is hours away. Welcome to Luxe Avenue. And it has like a little preview of my lip gloss. So it says the lineup because that's the lineup. Launch day is finally almost here. Be sure to follow us on Instagram for updates and content. Don't forget to take an extra 10% off with code Juneteenth because I am launching on Juneteenth because that's my holiday, period. The bonus was for being a loyal subby. Here are some sneak peeks on what we have in store because I have not posted this or this on Instagram yet, and I am coming out with 20 pairs of lashes for $20. It says click to shop below at 12 a.m. and right here we'll just link them to my shop. I actually did this too, which I thought was real cute. The 123 Luxe Ave, Cashtown, Moneyville. Like, I think that's real cute because they was asking for my address, and I was not about to give y'all my address. So and also I'm no longer using MailChimp. I couldn't find a way to integrate it with Wix, so I'm just going with Wix's mail service or whatever. What else did I do? I took my pictures for the lashes, but they came out horribly. I have to do it again, and then I'll just go ahead and show you guys how I did it. But I'll still insert the pictures, but I was trying to rush because it's pretty late and it's almost time. So yeah, I'm almost there. I'm gonna show you guys my website now. So I'm so excited. Okay guys, so this is the website, Luxe Avenue, and then you'll see like a subscription box pop up. So if you guys want to know how to do this on Wix, I can definitely make a video. I think I have a video on my channel about that already, but I can make an updated one because yeah, that one's kind of like all over the place. But you put in your information, get 10% off. This is my home page, and I designed this all by myself. I did all these pictures on my own. I think I showed you guys a little bit of a preview in the last video. Okay, so my phone died. I showed my boyfriend the website, and he said it's too well, I can't find a word. He said it's too white. So I'ma see how it looks if it's black. Okay, so this part is pretty much gonna be voiceover. I was just trying to figure out how to try to play with the colors in the background to see if it would look cute, another color and all that. But I need to vent. This process is so crazy. Currently,
I'm launched, everything's great, everything's awesome. But getting to this point was crazy for me. Shit started going south. Had to call Wix because their website was messing up. Had to try to connect my Facebook to my Instagram the right way. All in all, a mess. I can make a video on things that you should probably have done a couple of days, weeks before you try to launch your business, so you don't make the same mistakes as me. But I don't know, y'all just gonna have to let me know in the comments if that's something you guys would be interested in. But yeah, it was a mess, child.
Okay, so my boyfriend said that, why is it so white? Like my website, so I changed it. Oh damn, it's my silhouette. It's my silhouette. I threw my wig off, y'all. So if y'all see a freaking mole rat, don't scream. It's just me. But I changed the color right here. What is this? Again, if you want like a more complex, you know, how to build a website video, comment down below and let me know. But I'm gonna work on this website a little bit, and then I will be back. Y'all, so I have 2 people on my website right now. I just launched not too long ago. And so, okay, whatever. Someone's in Cleveland, Ohio, and someone's in Orlando, Florida. And someone's actually on a page looking at items, so I'm so excited. Marissa, your toes! And I'm leaving it in there too. I got my first order within 23 minutes. I got somebody in Hillsboro in this hole. Oh, they gone. One thing about my city, they'll always show love. I just really wanted to show y'all the first hour. And we have 10 minutes left. Have somebody in Miami Shores and Miller Place. Don't know where that is.